Science and Technology Research Policy Practice Interface for Climate Risk Management. In fact, you all know that I am a medical doctor by profession, an ENT surgeon who has most of the time, all his life, I have spent most of my time working in the field of health in various capacities. As a medical student, as an activist of the medical associations, as health minister in Delhi, and then at the union level, also as advisor for the World Health Organization for a number of years for the Southeast Asian countries. But I got this privileged opportunity to be the Science and Technology Minister and the Minister for Earth Sciences of the Government of India only in November 2014. In spite of being a science student background person, I could in the last 6 years appreciate the potential of science in a very big way only after having become the Science and Technology Minister and after having observed science from the closest of quarters, after having visited almost all laboratories all across the country belonging to science, DST, biotechnology, earth sciences, CSIR, and of course even I visited many institutions belonging to ISRO and even ICAR, and I could see the level of science that's actually happening in the country. And today it's really beyond my expression or my vocabulary to really express the type of joy that I can experience when I can see that the science and technology people together with the disaster authority people are working together, and there is an organized effort to see how the discoveries in science, the inventions in science, the research in science, or the technologies that have been developed in science, they can actually be used by the relevant people at the relevant places. And I think there can't be anything more important than managing disasters. And I also in the last 6 years enjoyed the privilege of being the environment minister of the country for about 2 years. And while being environment minister, I could see from very close quarters what is the need for the environment department and for the issues related to environment and for actually handling the issues of climate change and global warming, which are the issues of extensive concern for the whole world. And my science and technology people know that for the first time I got an institutionalized system developed there, where the secretary of the environment ministry and all my science secretaries, they used to work together and try to see how they can collaborate with each other, how they can be mutually helpful to each other for finding out solutions to make the lives of the people better. And after having worked in science, I have a strong feeling and conviction that science is something which has the potential to solve each and every problem, which has the potential to actually help everybody, you can say factor, every issue of every department. In fact, it's just a coincidence that today I am having this participation in an international conference where the disaster management authority people and my own people are working together. Only 3-4 days back, I had the privilege to visit the National Disaster Response Force 8th Battalion campus in Ghaziabad, and there I could see the practical application of science people and the disaster people working together, where one of our leading CSIR laboratories in Roorkee, they could develop a hospital for the NDRF people within 3 days and carry that hospital on their shoulders. And it was a beautiful hospital which they are right now going to use for COVID, and ultimately it will be used for the imminent needs of the volunteers of the NDRF force and all.